So what is up guys, it is LBCtechtherapy here. It's been a long time since I made a cool video for you guys, but today, we're gonna talk about some smartwatches. And as you can see here, I've got my new little studio setup. I only need a new PC, a new screen, and all that kind of things. But I got all the essentials set up. But today we're gonna talk about which smartwatch from the Samsung you wanna buy. Is it the old Gear S Frontier or the new and improved Samsung Galaxy Watch? Let's get right on to it. Starting off with the exterior on both the watches. They are very similar and they're very durable both. They have a stainless steel body and this cool little rotating bezels to go through all the menus and whatever you want and answer calls and so on and so forth. And then you have these two cool buttons. The one is to go into the menu or the other one is to just go back. They also have a 22mm band, the big one. This is the 46mm version, the Frontier, and the Samsung Galaxy Watch comes in a 46mm or 42 for either small wristed guys like myself or girls, if you like. And they of course also weigh completely the same. They weigh 63 grams.
Damon! 60 G's, baby!
Now, as I've said before, both watches are very durable. They both have the IP68 certification, which means that they are dust resistant, waterproof and all that. And they also have the STD military grade certification, which means that they can withstand very hot hot weather and cold weather if you like. But the very big difference with the new Galaxy Watch is that it can withstand 165 feet of water. That is 50 meters down on a river or in the ocean without, causing any disruption in the tech inside, which is amazing.
Oh my god!
And the glass on the screen on the new Samsung Galaxy Watch is also improved. They now have the Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus, which I don't know very much about, but I guess it's an improvement, so it's a bit more durable. Now inside both the Gear S3 and the Galaxy Watch, you'll find that they are very much alike, like on the outside of the watch. They both have the Super AMOLED screen with a resolution of 360 x 360 and they have a pixel density of 278. So you can of course expect a very bright screen that looks great in sunlight and just looks gorgeous as fuck. And they're both running Samsung's own Tizen OS operating system and not Wear OS. And I really like the Tizen OS, which, with the rotating bezel here, everything just clicks and it never lags or anything like that. But one thing you have to notice is that the new Galaxy Watch is running the 4.0 version compared to the 2.3.2 version on the Gear S3, which I think makes the interface looks a little bit different and it might be a little bit slower. And now moving right on to the chipset. The new Galaxy Watch has a dedicated watch processor, which is the new Exynos 9110 compared to the 7270 on the Gear S3, which gives the Galaxy Watch a slight advantage when it comes to, saving battery and running smoother. And based on the LTE versions of both watches, the Galaxy Watch will feature double as much RAM as the Gear S3 Frontier, which will be 1.5 GB of RAM. And that will of course also help with the smoothness of the watch and also running everything just much better and saving battery, etc. Now both watches are featuring loudspeakers, of course, so you can listen to music or whatever. And then you also have the NFC for Samsung Pay and of course a whole arrangement of sensors, which is pretty cool. Now the Galaxy Watch is a bit more intuitive when it comes to health and stuff like that. It will help you stress down on work with exhale and inhale meditation things that you can do, which is pretty cool. And then it will also detect 8 different exercises when you go to the gym, do some squats, some deadlifts, some rowing, whatever. That is a pretty cool feature. That is one of the main selling points. But the biggest selling point here is the new 9110 processor, the new Exynos processor, combined with the big 472 mAh battery, which will help it last up to 6 days without having to charge it, which is damn cool. Now the Gear S3 Frontier only lasts up to 2 days if you're lucky. And now to the big and final question, is the Samsung Galaxy Watch worth the upgrade? In my opinion, yes, and the only answer to this is improved battery life. Because having a smartwatch that only lasts you a couple of days, if you're lucky, simply isn't smart. You should be able to leave your charger at home, strap on your watch and just go for a 6 days adventure, you know, just enjoy your watch, enjoy your life, and, you know, never have to charge. And simply put, you need the new Galaxy Watch. It costs around, I think, $150 more. It has the same selling price as the Gear S3 Frontier had when it came out 2 years ago, so you can go check that one out on Samsung's webpage. But I think you should upgrade. It's a great watch. Now, I hope you enjoyed my video and that I hope you enjoyed the new view of my new studio, of course. It's nice, it's new, and I like it, and I like you. Thank you for your support, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace out.